Stop scrolling because this isn't a motorhome. This is a moving mansion built on a Kenworth truck. And once you see what's inside, hotels will feel pointless. Just wait until you see the upper level. It genuinely doesn't feel real. Look at the size of it. From far away, it looks like a modern hotel. But the entire design is made to follow your life anywhere. This isn't built just to take you places. It's built to change how you live on the road. And the luxury here isn't loud or flashy. It's calm. It's the feeling of having your own space, your own rules, wherever you stop. Now watch the entrance. The moment you step in, it feels like a private residence, not an RV. Soft lighting, clean lines, and everything feels quiet and intentional, like someone designed this for comfort first. This is the point where you realize you're not traveling, you're arriving. And then you see the staircase, and that mansion feeling becomes real. This lounge is pure penthouse energy. Open space, wide windows, and that warm glow that makes everything feel slower and softer. After a long drive, you don't want camping. You want peace. Imagine it's raining outside, and you're here, dry and warm, just watching the world move while you stay comfortable. This is the kind of place where stress can't follow you. And the kitchen. This isn't an RV kitchen. This is a hotel-level kitchen that travels with you. Everything feels fixed, solid, and quiet. No rattling, no cheap cabinets, just clean surfaces and premium finishes. Your coffee doesn't need a cafe anymore. Your breakfast doesn't need a restaurant, because your best table is wherever you decide to park. Now we go upstairs because this is where it stops feeling like a vehicle. The upper level is honestly insane. The curves, the glass, the lighting. It feels like futuristic architecture, but you're standing inside it. This is where you'd host friends, or sit alone with silence and space. And that's the luxury most people don't understand. Not gold, not flexing, just quiet control over your life. Then the bedroom. This isn't just a bed inside a truck. This is a room designed to make you forget the road even exists. Soft lighting, smooth textures, a layout that feels like a real home. You don't sleep here. You recharge here. And when you wake up, your view can be mountains, ocean, forest, without packing a single suitcase. And the bathroom is the final proof. This is basically a private spa. Clean design, premium finishes, and enough space to breathe. No public restrooms, no hotel timing, no waiting, just you, warm water, silence, and the feeling that you escaped the whole system. So yeah, this 2027 Kenworth Motorhome isn't for everyone. But if you ever dreamed of a life where your home follows your freedom, this is what that dream looks like. If you want more tours like this, subscribe to Dream Van Atelier, because we don't review vehicles. We review freedom.